Hi, my name is Meghna and welcome to another edition of Fashion in the City. So I'm back once again at Max, and today I'm going to figure out what Max has in store for us in spring season. So they have this really pretty lineup, especially for spring here in the UAE. It features florals, and the florals are mixed with a bit of lace as well. So what are some of the pretty pieces that you could have in your wardrobe and look all dolled up this spring? That's what we're going to figure out today on Fashion in the City. So like I'd mentioned, the new spring collection at Max features florals as well, and they have these really nice sleeveless t-shirts. So as you can see, some pretty floral designs. It has a little bit of a lace facade on it as well, and I know it looks like a casual top, but imagine, just team it up with a crisp white jacket, your jeans, wedges, and you're good to go. You could wear this to work as well. And part of the amazing spring collection here at Max is this dress. I mean, your trips to the beach and your weekend, this is the dress that your weekends and your beach trips were missing. I cannot tell you how comfortable it is, and because of how it's been cut, it's flattering on almost all body types as well. Cotton, so you will definitely stay cool and comfortable, and it has the self-embroidered flower patterns on it. So pretty. Look how pretty. So we've looked at sleeveless t-shirts, we've looked at jackets, we've looked at dresses, and part of the spring collection, which features a lot of florals here at Max, they have linen shirts like this as well. Again, white, which is perfect for spring, and they have just the right amount of embroidery here on the collar. So you're ready for work, and at the end of a really hard working day, when you're going to see a movie, this outfit is perfect for that as well. So another really funky thing that you will find, which is part of the floral collection here at Max, it's their special spring collection. They're featuring a lot of florals, is this kimono jacket. So when you think of florals, you'll think of these pretty flowy dresses and tops, but no, they've put it on these kimono jackets, super comfortable to wear. And you know what my favorite part is? They have these embellishments right around the neck, which ends in these tassels. So you really don't need to accessorize this all that much either. Just a pair of earrings, you're good to go. So comfortable, and only 44 dirhams. So there you go. Those are some of the lovely pieces that you will find in the women's section, of course, at your nearest Max store. It's the new spring collection. It's all about the florals, it's all about the pretty, it's all about the lace, and for men in particular, they have what is called the nautical theme. So you're going to have to rush down to your nearest Max store and figure out how you can update your wardrobe for spring. So keep it light, keep it simple. Remember, in spring, because you need a lot of breathable fabric, you need less fuss. We did the winter, we did jackets and jackets and jackets. It's time to do the pretty wear, which you will find at Max, part of their spring collection. I'm currently at the Mirdif City Centre, so it's a fantastic outlet right here. So you could rush down, pick up whatever you want, and we get stylish again next Sunday on Fashion in the City.